Welcome to my channel. When you stand on a mountain, you are literally 10 years younger than when you're down in the valley. Whoa! That can't possibly be true, can it? Well, it turns out that standing on a mountain really does make you younger. And the reason why is gonna blow your mind. There are super accurate clocks called atomic clocks that are used all over the world to keep perfect time. And these atomic clocks have actually proven that time runs faster at higher altitudes. So if you were to stand on top of a mountain for an entire year, when you return back down to sea level, everyone would have aged slightly slower than you. You might even find that your wrinkles are slightly less deep and your hair is slightly less gray. That's because time itself had passed more quickly for you than it did for them. But how can this be possible? I mean, we always think of time as passing at the exact same rate no matter where we are, right? Well, not quite. You see, the Earth's gravity affects more than just our body. It actually warps space and time itself. This means that time actually passes more slowly near the Earth's surface than it does higher up in the mountains. Because there's less gravity up in the mountains, the space-time is less warped. Therefore, time runs faster, so if you're somewhere like here in the Swiss Alps, time is actually passing about 20 milliseconds per year faster than it is down at sea level. Now, 20 milliseconds doesn't seem like very much, but if you were to multiply that by 100 years, you'd get almost 2 extra days. So standing on this mountain for 100 years would make you 2 days younger than someone who spent that same time at sea level. Now it's time for a little quiz. Would you rather be 2 days younger at the end of every year or live 20 milliseconds higher up in the mountains? Comment below with your answer! And don't forget to follow 4 more fun physics facts that will blow your mind. And here's a bonus fact to really blow your mind. Your head is currently aging faster than your feet. That's because your head is closer to your heart, which means it receives more of the blood flow than your feet do. Since there are more cells in your lower body, they end up getting less of the nutrients and oxygen that your heart pumps around. So if you want to slow down the aging process on your feet, you should probably start wearing some high-altitude shoes. Thanks for watching to the end! And I'll see you next time.